Yeah, it's time for a custom ROM. So as you guys know, in the previous video that I did with this thing, I actually installed and explored the Android 11 aka lineageos 18. Well, in this video, we are actually gonna upgrade this piece of shit to Android 12 aka lineageos 19. So without any further ado, let's do this shit. Of course, for this thing, I'm actually gonna need lineageos 19, which I already do have here, and I'm actually gonna put it on this USB flash drive, so hopefully things are gonna go okay. And I guess after the file transfer, I'm just gonna start going to the WRP and installing the custom ROM, and I guess I'm gonna see you guys there. I don't know. Well, the custom ROM is on the microSD card, so I guess right now it's just time to actually turn off this phone. And you know, we are also gonna remove the back cover, just like that. Now the phone is off, I'm just gonna remove the battery for now. I am obviously gonna remove this flash drive. Okay, why do I keep saying flash drive? This piece of is just a microSD card, okay? And it's like, you know, USB adapter and stuff. And anyways, okay, so right now we are just gonna put this microSD card inside here very nicely, as you guys can see. Now we're just gonna put the battery back in. We are actually gonna install a custom ROM. Hopefully I'm not gonna need to do any file transfers because I don't wanna go through that shit. And hopefully this is the right combination, because honestly I genuinely don't wanna go to, you know, other shit. Okay, it's the lineageos WRP. Okay, I actually wasn't expecting that. Okay, wasn't I supposed to be in... Okay, this is very weird actually. We are just gonna do it using ADB sideload. At this point, I have no idea if I can do it any other way, so I guess this is it. I guess this is all we can do for now. Also, don't mind the fact that I'm on GSM Arena for some reason, I have no idea either. I guess we're just gonna go to the ADB fastboot thingy here like that, and we are just gonna run the special ADB sideload command, because that's what we should do right now. ADB sideload, we are gonna put this thing in here and hopefully it's actually gonna work. I have no idea what to expect. Okay, some things are happening to the phone, so hopefully it's gonna install. I genuinely have no idea. It just says something like verifying update package and stuff like that, so I guess I'm just gonna be back with new updates if things are gonna go well. And of course I had to get an error. Signature verification failed, install anyway. Of course, dude, I don't give a sh**. Oh, of course I got an error. Error in sideload package. Yeah, of course. I mean, everything has to go wrong, right? Peace out. I'm really having lots of fun, as you guys can tell. I really love when phones just don't work in my favor, but you know, it is what it is. Alright, let's unplug this piece of shit. Let's remove the back cover. The battery, let's put it back on, and now let's reboot back in TWRP this time. And there we go, TWRP, let's freaking go. Okay, I guess, yeah, I'm obviously gonna allow that, and you know, we're just gonna do like, yeah, I'm gonna do a factory reset, even though there is no point in doing that, I'm still gonna do it regardless. I'm also gonna, you know, format some stuff around here, and I'm just gonna format stuff. Hopefully I'm not gonna regret doing so. I mean, we don't have any errors, so yeah, so far so good. And of course micro SD card is not detected, of course. And I also can't mount it, as you guys can see. Wow, this phone is so fun. As I said, I'm really having lots and lots of fun. Okay, now that the thing is done, I guess we can just go to install, and here we have the custom ROM. So at this point I just hope... No. Why? Okay, you know what's funny? The fact that I tried to install a custom ROM for the i9506 and this phone is a i9505. I'm so happy. You already know what time it is. Okay, ADB. Of course I'm missing the keys. This is so much fun. Oh my god, I can't SD card, please. Okay, finally we are going somewhere. And by the way guys, I'm not losing my sanity, I'm losing my mind actually. And it should be done anytime soon, and there we go. Okay, you better not disappoint me. You better not disappoint me. I swear to god, if this thing doesn't work, let's just try it out regardless. Just please don't give me any errors. Please. Okay, it's actually installing. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually installing. Where is your warranty, dude? It's in my app. You can try to reach it if you want to. That's finally done. I guess it's time to just reboot the phone and I guess hope for the best. I'm just I'm just gonna do something very funny to it. And okay, we actually see the Android logo. Okay guys, okay, we might finally have Android 12 on this phone. I'm not sure, but this looks very promising. I guess I'm just gonna see you guys after. It doesn't work that bad. Like, on camera maybe it's a bit laggier, but I was expecting something way worse. This phone is actually not bad on Android 12. And you know what guys, it's actually time for testing some apps on this thing. I'm not gonna make a separate video on doing that. I'm actually gonna test some apps on this thing today. So I'm gonna see you guys after I'm gonna sideload all the apps required for this thing to test out and stuff. So it's been some time, but now we finally have all the apps and stuff, so yeah, I guess it's time now to check all the apps, and the first one that I'm gonna check is actually the Instagram app. I just wanna see if this phone can actually handle Instagram in 2026, so I guess I'm just gonna see you guys after I'm gonna log in, and that is if this app will not crash, of course. And apparently it does seem to work. We are actually inside my Instagram account, which by the way guys, I don't really use, but if you guys wanna follow me and stuff, you guys can do so, but just know I'm not really using this app, cause I mean, I'm mostly doing scrolling on TikTok, so yeah, this app is not really for me. As you guys can see, this thing actually works, and never mind, it's not really working, cause I can't doom scroll. Oh, never mind, I can doom scroll, but the app works like shit. I wonder how is the Reels experience on this phone. Probably very bad. What the f... Okay, I just got to the Reels tab and... Oh, damn. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, you know what, let's move on. This app sucks. Now the next app to try out is actually the TikTok app. Let's just see if this one still works in 2026 and if it's even usable, cause Instagram was barely usable on this piece of shit. So hopefully this one will be more usable. I have no idea what to expect. I guess we're gonna find that out today. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip these steps. I don't really wanna get an account on this thing, and I'm definitely bored and had years ago or something. Can I just proceed further, please? I'm just an old person that I wanna use this app, okay? Swipe up to start watching, thank you so much. Okay, now let's see the swiping experience on TikTok on the Samsung Galaxy S4, lineageos 19, Android 12. It's definitely usable. It works like 2 frames per second. I don't give a shit, dude, I just wanna use TikTok. No, okay, fine, just let me use TikTok. Okay, as you guys can tell, TikTok is very useful. I'm ironic, okay? This app just barely works. I mean, to be fair, it's kinda a miracle that it even works at all, but I mean, I guess you can watch videos, but you're just gonna deal with a bit of lag from time to time. But hey, you can actually doom scroll, but it's kinda gonna be a pain in the experience. Anyways, let's move on. And now guys, the next app to try out is Discord. And just know guys, I'm not gonna check TikTok Lite, but I will actually check Facebook, and I think I should have it somewhere installed. Actually, I think I only forgot to install Facebook. I guess I'm just gonna see you guys after I'm gonna get Facebook installed, because I have high IQ, as you guys can tell. Okay guys, so now that we finally got Facebook installed as well, I guess it's time to see if Facebook is also usable on this piece of shit. And okay guys, surprisingly, it's not too laggy on the Facebook app. Oh, never mind, I spoke too soon. Oh yeah, it is laggy. It is laggy. It is laggy. Man, this phone sucks. There is no point in going to the Reels, cause I know it's gonna be a experience. So, you know what guys, let's move on straight to Discord. You can use Facebook, it's just gonna hurt a lot and it's gonna be a bad experience, that's all I can say. Now I'm just gonna try to log into my Discord account and I'm gonna see you guys in a bit or two. And is it gonna work? I hope it's gonna work. Finally, after a million of years, we are finally on Discord. Oh man, this phone is so slow. I mean, of course it has Android 12, what was I expecting, you know? Anyways, let's just see what the people from my Discord server are doing. And by the way guys, if you don't join my Discord server, there is a link in the description of this video if you guys wanna join and just talk with the people and stuff. You can do so by joining the link in the description and becoming a part of my community. And now it's time for the classic everyone message that I'm doing each time I'm using Discord on a phone. Okay, we are gonna write a very family friendly message. Alright, let's see what people are gonna reply to that. Hopefully they're gonna reply very nice messages, I don't know. So we have a hi from CyanogenMod, we have a hi from Seagreen, a hi from Specs. Okay, we have so many. Oh my god, we have so many highs right now. Damn. Okay. Oh my god, so my chat is very active right now. Once again guys, if you want my chat to be active, just join the link and be a part of the community. And oh my god, I think I just disturbed my Discord server. Well, this is really fun. Oh my god, several people are typing. Bro, oh fuck, oh no, don't show that. Okay guys, let's move on, this is too much. Time to repeat the boring joke once again. And of course my dog has to bark, he's so smart. Okay. Let's see what people are gonna reply to that. Okay, so far no one has replied to my messages, so yeah, what a failed trolling attempt. Let's just move on to another app or something. Alright guys, we don't have any more apps, so let's just play some games. I guess the first game that I'm gonna try on this phone is actually Jared Dash. And guys, please ignore my dog, he's barking a lot because he's quite barky, I can't control him, he's a dog. I mean, it is what it is, that's my life pretty much with a dog. Okay, let's try the finger dash level. I just hope it works, you know. Oh, okay, that is so laggy. Actually no, the game is not laggy at all. Oh, okay, a bit delayed, I ain't gonna lie, the game is a bit delayed. So far so good, I didn't die during the gameplay yet, so I'm quite pleasantly surprised with that, you know guys. To be fair, Finger Dash has so many stuff. Oh, never mind, there goes the delay and I died at 24%. Your dash can be playable, but you should expect some delays. Regardless, let's move on. Next game to try out is Flappy Bird. Yeah, let's just play Flappy Bird. So far we don't have any lags and stuff, we also don't have any delays, which is quite nice in my opinion. Yeah, the gameplay is actually not bad. I was expecting it to be either delayed or laggy or this, and apparently it's not laggy, it's not delayed either, so yeah, you can actually play Flappy Bird on this phone. Now let's move on to the next game, which is actually the last one, which is Robots Effect Travel. Oh, what a funny icon. Yeah, sure, I'm gonna continue that. I don't care about updates, I just wanna play the game. Okay, bro? Alright, let's go to play, blah blah blah. Okay, once again, the gaming experience is not too bad. I'm actually gonna try to play again because I kinda rushed it right there. So as you guys can see, the gaming experience is not bad, although I kinda suck at this game, that's why I keep dying, but Robots Effect Travel is actually playable on this phone. Well, I guess that was the experience with lineageos 19 aka Android 12 on this phone. We installed it, we tested some apps, they work okay, some of them work like shit, some of them are decent, the games are so-so, and that's pretty much the video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and shout out to all my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for becoming YouTube members. You guys are really awesome, and if you guys want to see more behind the scenes, basically uncut versions of my videos that I'm posting, and also scrapped stuff and random things that might not make it on the channel and stuff, and you know, just have a cool badge and stuff, you guys can just become YouTube members from the link in the description with the join button, or just from the join button that is on my channel. And that's pretty much the video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Texaster, and I'm gonna see you guys next time with fun explorations, custom jailbreaking, and whatever I'm gonna do here in the future. Bye bye.